We are at 870 Inman Parkway, Unit 102 in Inman Park. This location is unbelievable. You are on the Beltline. It's super easy to get to all of the shops and restaurants, to take the Beltline wherever you would like to go. It has incredible amenities. It's just an amazing opportunity. So this property has a really lovely open floor plan. You have kitchen with an island that is open to dining area, lovely living room, and then out into the deck. Being on the ground floor is so useful because you have automatic access to the street. You have your own entrance, which means that when you have deliveries for food, they can come directly to your deck versus having to work it out through a centerpiece. If you have guests coming over, if you have a dog and you want to take it for a walk, it's a lot easier to get in and out. It's a really great opportunity. So this master bedroom has great light. It has access directly to the porch with double doors. And then it has a beautiful master suite with double sinks, a separate tub and shower. So another great locational benefit is that you are literally steps away from your 2 parking spaces. You have use of this beautiful pool. They also have a workout facility, a club room, incredible amenities here.